Hey, this is Cycling Explorer giving an update on what I've been doing over the last couple of weeks. Basically, I've been moving from my old camera, which, believe it or not, I love this thing, so still have it. It's now like 11 years old and still films great, but I had to upgrade, so I went with the GoPro, which I'm using right at this very moment. Absolutely love it. It's been great. I've attached it to my bike, done a couple other things, a couple of videos off of it already as testers. But one of the challenges I ran into is that when you use this, you also have a tripod. And so what I found out is that in the tripod, I use a 72-inch height tripod. I absolutely love it because it comes right up when I'm standing out by the water or wherever I am. So it's right at my face. So that's the exact size I need. And so I started researching on the internet. Boy, did I have a lot of issues trying to find something. I wanted a GoPro tripod that was lightweight, and so I could take it with me in a backpack, because this thing's kind of heavy, but I do use a backpack to take it around, and it works. It works just fine. I absolutely love it because it's got stabilizing and all this other stuff on it. But the problem you run into is that old camera screwed into this. And so I was starting to figure out, I could not figure out how I was going to take a GoPro tripod out with me that was under $100, because I wanted a 72-inch tripod. I didn't want no 60, and I didn't want an 84. I wanted a 72 because I'm, believe it or not, 6 feet tall. So it kind of makes a lot of sense for me. So I researched and researched and researched, and what I found is there really wasn't anything available in my price range that I wanted to spend, because it's a tripod and it's going to get beat up, and I didn't feel like spending over $100 on something I'm going to drag around for could be 50, 60 miles. So what did I do? I managed to find a product, which I will share here. It's tripod mount, sorry. And all it is something like this that you just screw in. And believe it or not, this thing, including postage and everything else, was under $9. So if you're looking for something that you can use on a tripod, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is $9, folks. I highly recommend it. I've already tested it out. It works very well. Just screw it right into the screw, and voila. I've got the same sort of tripod with all the stabilization that I bought with my original camera. This is Cycling Explorer, signing off for today.